of doing business is not a single overarching reform, law update or policy decision. It is the outcome of a gradual alignment between institutions, regulations and market expectations. And perhaps more importantly, it is shaped not just by what is written in the statute, but how that framework is experienced in practice, in the speed of decision making, the predictability of contract enforcement, the consistency of regulatory interpretation, and the ability to plan confidently for the long term. These daily interactions build or indeed erode.
My topic is a bit arcane, and I'm feeling slightly out of place here among the great jurists and experts who are here and among the great practitioners that you are here. But nonetheless, given the task, I'm trying to speak on historical and cultural aspects of EoDB in India. The phrase EoDB has been in public domain for about 2 decades now. Popularized by the World Bank originally, it is a credo to make businesses easy and hassle-free. Basically, their EoDB stands for neoliberalism. It stands for restoration of faith in the invisible hand of the 18th century classical liberal economist Adam Smith. His was the phrase, invisible hand, the market. Many find this EoDB, the way we practice it in India today, a bit narrowly framed. In fact, the World Bank itself has somewhat disengaged itself from the erstwhile EoDB ranking exercises. They were once upon a time a great craze in the whole world. We probably should go much deeper into the realms of history, philosophy, ethics and culture, as they call it these days, economic theology, to examine the underlying concept of reciprocity.
Boss twice, that is what I said to him once when I was in National Law School of India University as my Executive Council member, and when I was brought here to Calcutta, he was my Chancellor. But I am meeting him for the first time in Calcutta. So I'm delighted to have you here, sir. Debanjan Mandal ji, Mahesh Agarwal ji, Alpan Bandyopadhyay ji. The aspect that I have been asked to speak in about 10 minutes is legal aspects of EoDB.
Bhushan Agrawal, the President of Indian Chamber of Commerce. Professor Andimat, the Vice Chancellor of NVDS, Kolkata. Mr. Alpan Bandyopadhyay, Chairman of West Bengal Industrial Development Corporation, the former Chief Secretary. Mr. Debanjan Mandal, the Managing Partner of Hawks and Mandal. Mr. Mahesh Agrawal, with whom I have spent the entire day at the airport and the flight, the Managing Partner of Agrawal Law Associates. Mr. Rajeev Singh, Director General of ICC. The distinguished members of the legal fraternity, the representatives from industry, commerce and friends. A very good evening to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here at this distinguished gathering of the Indian Chamber of Commerce. System that is efficient, just, fair, then we will not only attract investment but also ensure that such investment contributes to the larger project of nation building. Nation building is a task in which businesses do play an active and conscious role. As we strive to build legal systems that are fair, transparent and efficient, there is a corresponding expectation that businesses must hold themselves to the same standards. The legitimacy of any economic framework depends not only on how laws are designed and enforced, but also on how economic actors conduct themselves within the framework. This means that businesses must commit to fairness in their dealings, inclusion in their opportunities, and sustainability in their practices. As Mahatma Gandhi once said in 1946, and I quote, "It is difficult but not impossible to conduct strictly honest business. The fact is that honester a business, the more successful is it," unquote. Thank you very much for giving.
Hey, I'm Ghosal. Can you tell me the difference between the social contract and economic contract?
Alappan Babu also has great sense of humor, which I think which needs another session with him on a different team for making this evening memorable, full of content and extremely engaging.